Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a while since I've been able to do videos. I've just been so busy. Look, you see the dark circles under my eyes just because I've been so busy. And I really apologize, but I'm gonna try to get at least 1 to 2 videos up a week if I can. Oh, I just hate being so busy because I love doing this. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing a look with this palette by Beauty Creations. It's the Anna palette. I believe it's inspired from the movie Frozen. I have a couple other palettes from Beauty Creations, and I like their palettes because they're very vibrant. Let me show you the palette. This is the palette here. It's very, very vibrant. The colors are really, really pretty pigmented. Some of them have fallout, but that's what you can expect from a palette like this. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and let's get into this look. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this lighter color, like I said first. I apologize, my baby cow is running amok around Leo. Colors are very, very buildable. There's fallout on them, but I think it's more in the shimmery colors. I don't remember. I got a new memory card, and I hope this thing works. That's all I can say, because that would suck if it doesn't. Alright, so I think then I put this color on top. The next color I'm going to go with underneath is something a little bit darker. I think I'm going to go with this swatch here, which is this one. Even though they both look really, really similar, go with that one. M33 brush. Looks more pinky on camera. I'm going to take this blender brush, which is a BH12, and blend them together. Next thing, I'm going to take my cut crease canvas. I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, for the next color, I'm either gonna go in, let's swatch some colors. Maybe this one, so that's like a pinky, peachy color, or the one next to it. I think maybe this one. This is another kind of shimmery orange looking like, or even maybe this one down here. Or I can even do two. Oh, that's pretty. I like that too. Maybe I'll do both. Let's see how that would look. Okay, so I'm gonna take this other Morphe M33 brush, M33 brush, excuse me. Clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna take some of this lighter peach color and put it in the corner of my crease. I have to say there is not that much fallout with this palette. And I took this brown one, and I'm putting it on the end of the outer crease. I'm actually going to take this Morphe M39 brush, and in this darker color down here, this one, and I'm going to go in the corner of my outer crease and just kind of smoke it out just a little to blend some darkness to give it a nice contrast. And I would take my blender and blend it all together. I'm gonna come off camera and finish up this look. I'll be right back. Hey guys, my look is done. I put on these really big dramatic lashes because they're fun and I just like them. Tell me what you guys think of these lashes. I always ask because I want your opinions on them. I also finished up this look with Beauty Creations matte lip gloss, liquid lipstick. These stay on forever. This is in the color Sweetheart. I really do like this palette and I do recommend it. I will link in my description box below where you can go and get these palettes from. The girl who hosts these beauty shows, it's her and her husband and 3 other guys and her brother, and they go around to different parts of Florida, and hopefully they'll be able to come to other cities, maybe even your city. I will link everything in my description box below, but if you'd like a palette or check out their products, you can go on and email her, and she can, you know, you pay for shipping and handling and the cost of the palette, and she'll mail you a palette. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and thank you guys for being patient with me, and I will be creating more content as soon as I can find the time, and I will be getting it up for you guys. So yeah, once again, I just want to say thank you for guys for coming back to my channel, supporting me, and I do have, you know, a lot of exciting things coming up in the future. Sometimes it's just too much for me to handle, and I don't know how to prioritize myself, but I have to, because then that's when you get burned out, and you don't want to get burned out doing different things and stuff like that. This weekend I had to take like kind of like a weekend off to not do any filming or anything at all, because I've been exhausted. I've been going so hard for the past like 3 weeks since I started esthetician school. I should be done in a couple months. It's gonna take time, but you know, I'm committed to doing it, and it's something I've been wanting to do, and I really enjoy it. So you know, not many people can sit there and say they're gonna be doing something they enjoy, and if you guys can find a job and things that you do enjoy, you know, and do it and love it and enjoy your life, because we only have this one life and you have to make the most of it. So yeah, I just want to come on here and talk to you guys and tell you guys that. So I just want to say thank you again, and I'll see you guys later. Bye everybody.